Hi, today I'm going to show a little bit of the project of how I done so far. So the topic I pick is tax recommendation for the crowdsourcing platforms such as Mechanical Turk and Figure Eight and like MacroTax and so on. So Mm, since we are in a global pandemic right now because of the COVID-19, I believe there will be a lot of people staying at home. So I think there will be a rise in those platforms because people will try to make a little bit of money through this type of website. So in order to help those beginners or even some of the intermediate worker to help them speed through their tax. I create this. I have this idea and I create this website. Um, the website I use is from the hacks.psu.edu. It's a CMS website founded by the group of uh, Penn State University faculty. So on the first page, I'm going to do a little survey about um, the workers' skill set or like experience in crowdsourcing. And here is the Google form and the questions. So I will ask about how they, what are the reason they pick on their tax? Have they done anything similar of the tax before, such as survey or other things? And if some of them has the experience, if some purist tax they done being rejected by the provider, will they willing to try a second time? And then ask about their crowdsourcing experience, about their language skill set, and then ask about their coding skill set. Then you jump to some raw recommendation for those different types of workers. And other than just like giving a raw recommendation, I decided to do a little bit more since there are demand right now. I want to show them, oops, I want to also give them a little help about how to do some of the tasks on those crowdsourcing websites, such as annotation of the image, label image. And for the future, I'm going to create more pages about uh, how to do those different type of tasks. So the current problem I have right now uh, is the data. So I know this recommendation is pretty raw and it's pretty not accurate, or is just a little not perfect. But if I have the data of many like tags, I'm able to create a model like using either clustering or other algorithm to make a prediction based on the data. But so far I cannot find any data set that contain just simply thousands or millions of the tax information. If I'm able to get those type of data, I can use Python to create a model that to predict the tax. But so far, I have to stuck with the Google form right now, and I adapt some of the question from this tax recommendation paper, uh, and it's basically this three question I was adapt from here. And here's so far of the progress. So right now I will try to add more pages of the introduction about different type of the tags. I waste a lot of time finding the data set, and so here's for all. Thanks.